President Hakainde Hichilema opened the 5th session of the 13th National Assembly, delivering a wide-ranging address that highlighted Zambia's economic recovery. President Hichilema said his government had stabilized the economy despite global uncertainty. He noted that Zambia's economy has grown at an average of 5.2% between 2021 and 2024. Inflation, he added, has fallen to around 15% this year. On debt restructuring, 92% of Zambia's external debt has been successfully restructured. Turning to agriculture, the country had produced a record 3.7 million metric tons of maize in 2024-2025 farming season. He reaffirmed the target of 10 million tons of maize annually by 2030. On mining, the president highlighted the revival of major operations such as Konkole copper mines and Mopani, increased investment at Kansanshi and Lumwana. He also announced progress in formalizing artisanal and small-scale mining. President Hichilema acknowledged the hardships caused by electricity shortages, citing drought and decades of underinvestment in power generation. He pleaded to diversify energy sources. In education and health, the president reiterated his government's commitment to free education. Over 42,000 teachers and thousands of health workers have been recruited, while new hospitals, maternity wings, and health posts are under construction nationwide. On governance, President Hichilema pointed to the enactment of the Access to Information Act, Enhanced Constituency Development Fund, and Zero Tolerance Policy on Corruption. Concluding his address, President Hichilema urged unity, patriotism, and collective responsibility.